Hi there. If you work in financial services and you've heard people talking about ChatGPT or Copilot, but you're not quite sure if you're allowed to use them or even where to start, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to be talking about prompting, which is how to ask the right questions and give the right instructions to AI tools so that they actually can help you save time and get work done without creating any compliance headaches. So in this video, we'll cover why AI tools like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot are useful within financial services roles, the safe prompting method that can keep you compliant and productive, real-world prompt examples that you can try, and then we'll look at some common mistakes to make sure you avoid. Let's get into it. So here's the thing. AI tools are only as useful as the instructions that you give them. So you've probably seen someone ask ChatGPT something vague, like summarize this report, and they'll get back something okay, but not exactly what you're after. But when you know how to prompt well, with clarity, structure, and purpose, you can get AI to draft fund commentaries, summarize compliance policies, write email templates, help with Excel formulas, and much more other useful things. The key here is prompting like a pro. And to do that, we're going to be using what we like to call the SAFE method. For the SAFE prompting method, SAFE stands for S, structure your prompt, A, avoid sensitive data, F, frame the role, and E, explain the goal. So let's break that down now. So S for structure your prompt. This means be specific. Say what format you want the output in. Bullet points, email draft, table, make sure you tell the AI. A stands for avoiding sensitive data. Don't paste in client names, account numbers, or anything confidential, especially using tools like ChatGPT. Make sure you're using fake or anonymized examples if you're using it. F stands for frame the role. So start with something like act as a fund analyst, or you are a compliance officer summarizing a policy. This makes sure to set the tone for the AI and the answer. E stands for explain the goal. What do you actually want the AI to help you achieve? Make that clear. The more context that you can give, the better that result. All right, to illustrate this, let's have a look at some real-world examples that use the SAFE guideline. So first we have a fund commentary prompt. So here the prompt is, you're a fund analyst. Based on the following price movements and allocation notes, draft a short, professional weekly commentary in 3 paragraphs. Use plain English and avoid jargon. So you can see here how that has used the SAFE guidelines here to make sure that we are structuring the prompt, avoiding sensitive data, framing the role, and explaining the goal that we want to achieve. Next up, we have an email prompt. So the prompt here is that you are a client service manager replying to a client who has asked about how token custody works. Draft a clear, reassuring response in under 150 words. And the final example is a compliance summary prompt example. So this one is, you are a compliance analyst. Summarize this anti-money laundering policy into a bullet point checklist for an internal training document. All these prompts are totally doable with tools either ChatGPT or Copilot, but you just need to use the right instructions. Finally, we're going to be looking at some common mistakes to avoid. Firstly, don't copy in confidential data. We've covered this before, but obviously this is a very important point. Second, don't assume that the first output is going to be perfect. Make sure you review it just as you would with any intern's work. Thirdly, don't use AI without checking your firm's policy. If in doubt, make sure you ask. So hopefully you've seen from this video that AI can genuinely save you time, but only if you use it well. Make sure to get good at prompting, following the SAFE method, and you'll start seeing results without compromising on quality or compliance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.